Hi, everybody, and happy last week of second quarter already. It's kind of insane, with distance learning and everything like that. Before I get into talking about this week with this part one video, I want to tell you guys that, especially for part one, you only have a discussion post to do, and that's on purpose. It doesn't mean that you just do the discussion post and kind of check out on Monday and Tuesday for the part one of this week. The reason why you only have the discussion to do and why there isn't much assigned to you is because it's the last week of second quarter. And some of your grades, not so hot. And that's because of a variety of reasons. But I wanted to make sure that I didn't overload you the last week of the quarter in case you needed more time to work on getting your grades up for second quarter. So the goal is that this part one time, yes, do the discussion post, but then make sure that you go in Infinite Campus and look at your grades and you take time early in the week to work on whatever it is that you need to do for health class to get your grade up, or to ask me questions, or to redo something, or to do something that you never did before. And, do that stuff earlier in the week before it's too late. So please take advantage of that. Don't be lazy. Don't think it's overwhelming and you can't do anything. There's two things that are 80% in the final grade, one of them being a nutrition quiz. So it's very manageable. You just got to try and reach out to me and ask questions, and I can help. Okay? So just throwing that out there. So the part one video for this week is this discussion post, which is completely based on this. So this "You Are Not Alone," it just has different facts and statistics on it, all related to mental health, which is obviously our new unit that we're in. So what you're going to do is you are going to look over this poster that the National Alliance on Mental Illness down here, that they created based on current mental health statistics. And just read through it, look it over. It's a nice visual, very clean, very straightforward. And then you're going to use that information to answer the discussion question. And there's two of them. So it says, look at the different statistics on the "You Are Not Alone" document in this week's folder, which is what I just showed you. After looking it over, answer the questions below. Number one, what statistics surprised you and why? So tell me which statistic, which fact from the poster surprised you, and tell me why it surprised you. And then the second thing, do you think these statistics have gotten better or worse since the pandemic started? And that just goes for all of the statistics on the poster, not just the one that you said surprised you. That goes for like all of it. Do you think these statistics have gotten better or worse since the pandemic started? And then again, you have to answer the question for why. If you don't tell me the whys, you're going to miss out on those points. I want you to explain your reasoning and explain your answers. That's it for part one. Again, on purpose, so that when you're done, work on stuff for second quarter. Please, 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 folks. Let me know how I can help you. And that's it for this part one video. And then make sure that you watch the part two video, and make sure you do the part two stuff later in this week in the same folder. Like I said, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, bye-bye.